Hi everyone, Chantel DuBois here, bringing you another tutorial on how to do a tutorial. Okay, so mainly this will be based off of, for marketers or advertising or sales or things of that nature. Okay, but really, this could be used for anything. You could do a tutorial on anything. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the list of what you need and go over some of the stuff, and then I'll walk you through. Okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, so the tools needed for the job to get done. Let's see here. We need Notepad. Why Notepad over Word? Notepad over Word because Word, if you put raw HTML, CSS, any kind of coding, okay, inside of Word, it will reformat. Okay, because that's just Word. Okay, but when you put it in Notepad, it's just a text format. So it will stay text formatted to the way that you put it in there raw. Okay, so it's good for that. And then also for notes, links, any kind of swipe. Okay, so nothing changes the format in there, so it's always the same. Okay, so it's always good to have on hand off to the side whenever you're doing whatever it is that you're doing. You have all your little notes ready. Okay? Okay, so some of the screen sharing software. Okay, I'm going to take you through that, and then that's needed for capturing images and making videos like the one I'm making right now. Okay, and then you're going to need a headset with a microphone or the mic from your laptop, okay, or the mic from your camera, okay, if you want to go ahead and film yourself. Um, yeah, but as long as you have it hooked up, it should still work just the same, just as well too. I don't use my camera, I use my headset. So, okay, and then a writing tablet, I use Wacom Intuos. Okay, it works just great. I love it. I'll introduce you to that in just a moment. But there's many writing tablets out there. Okay, this is not the only one you have to use. Okay, so do your research on writing tablets for my PC or Mac or whatever. Uh, Again, mainly this is going to be based off of Windows. Okay, so not Mac. Um, all right, so moving on. The medium software that you're going to use for the tutorial, like this one here, I'm using PowerPoint. Okay, that's what my notes are on. And you could use PowerPoint, Word, Publisher, Journal. You could use all those different types. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on. I just want to show you a little bit here, as I said, with these tools. Okay, here's my little camera. It has a little mic built into it. Okay, and then here's the headset with the mic. And here's my tablet. Okay? All right, so these are the basic things that you will need, to do a tutorial. You don't necessarily have to have them all. As long as your PC or your laptop has the mic working, everything's okay. Mine doesn't work anymore, so I had to buy some other ones. Um, so, yeah, you can go ahead and use whatever it is that you have as long as it works. Hey, go ahead and use that. Okay, so the tablet here from Wacom, it actually has some software for graphics in there. Okay, and I designed this little header there with that, and also this. Okay, all right. So there's a lot of little things that you can do with that. Okay, with the software that it comes with. Okay, so what needs to be inside of your tutorial? The contents of your tutorial. Okay, well, you need to have something of value to share. You have to be teaching somebody something. Okay, like right here, I'm teaching you about how to do a tutorial and the things that you're going to need. I'm going over the things that you're going to need, the things that you're going to be using. Okay, I'm showing you a picture. I'm letting you know the little things that it has inside and, a little example of what you can do. Okay, so if you're going to do a tutorial, it has to be informative. Okay, ask yourself, what would you like your viewer to learn from your knowledge or from your skills? Okay, what do you want to show them? All right, that's what you want to be asking yourself. Okay, because doing a tutorial, you can do a lot of different things here. Okay, if you're a tutor, okay, you could share your screen and you could do math problems with the little tablet, and you can get really interactive with whoever your student is. Okay, or say you're having a meeting, okay, and you can project your laptop screen onto a bigger screen for everyone to see. Okay, and you could sit there writing and showing them everything that you need to, in the meeting. You could be writing it out, giving examples, and really having a real live interaction. That's the big key here, is live interaction. Okay, so if I'm sitting here, it's like this. Okay, it's just interesting. Okay, because I'm sitting here like, yeah, that's the answer. Oh, wait, maybe that's not the answer. Oh, yes, it is. Well, let's erase it and try again. Okay, it's very interactive. Okay, you can tell a story. You can draw while you're telling the story. Okay, whatever it is that you want to do, okay, you can do that. Okay, with this little tutorial thing here that I'm showing you with the setup, okay, you can, as long as you have an imagination, okay, use your imagination. You can do so much. Okay, you can give a Bible study class. Okay, keep people very engaged. Not many people care for the Bible. Okay, but if you can do it in a very interesting way, they might just listen. Okay, so like I said, this is not the only tablet. Okay, so get on Google, do some research, okay, and figure out what it is that you need. There's some that, like mine, it doesn't have the touch with it. It's just the bottom of the line. It gets the job done. I love it. So it's fine. Okay, but they have some that you touch and you do different things with. They have some that have art programs, have the software with it, and you can do different stuff and, different stuff with the tablet itself and the pen. Okay, so do your research, okay, and see what else they have out there, okay, according to what it is that you'd like. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see what else we could do with this thing. Okay, like for one, I like getting in here into PowerPoint and making Facebook headers, or Facebook cover photos, should I say, or website headers. Okay, and this had nothing to do with my tablet except for my little signature thing there. Okay, but like I said, you can get really creative. Okay, you can give a tutorial on anything. Okay, if I wanted to go ahead and actually walk you through this, okay, as to how to make this, I could, but I'm not going to take that long in this tutorial, okay, because that's kind of lengthy. Okay, so yeah, there's so many things that you can do. Okay, you can get really personal with this. Okay, like I said, do the research. Okay, all right, so let's see here. We're going to go into some of this screen sharing software. Okay, and the screen sharing software that I started off with was Jing. Okay, actually it was snipping tool on the PC, but we're not going to go there. Okay, because we need video, we need something a little more high tech. So we're just going to go ahead and start off with Jing. It's from the TechSmith company, techsmith.com. Okay, you could just Google that, techsmith.com, or just look up Jing. Okay, and what Jing does is it captures images, okay, for you, and 5-minute videos, okay, and you can either save them or share them. Okay, you just want to take a video real quick. Oh, look, I just wanted to show you this really quick, and whatever you want to take a video of. Okay, to show them how to do something. There it is. Okay, you could do that with Jing. They have little 5-minute videos in there. Okay, that is free. Jing is free, which is why it has a limit of a 5-minute video. Okay, now Snagit. Okay, this comes at a price. It is about $49. Okay, If you have a educational email, if you're a teacher, if you work for the government, or if you're a student, okay, you can get this at $29. Okay? All right. So, yeah, with this one, the you can capture images and then the video is unlimited. Can I think the more updated one, sorry guys, also does a little bit of editing. Does like a little snipping, okay, inside the newer one. You can save or send your screen captures and videos, okay, through screencast or YouTube. Okay, there's other different avenues. Okay. Um, all right, so that is for Jing, which is free, and Snagit, which is $49, or I think the cheapest $29 on the educational discount. Okay, will really get the job done. Right now, I'm using Snagit. Okay, so you don't need anything high tech. Um, oh wow, one thing I did forget to put in this tutorial is Windows Movie Maker. Okay, I take this raw file after I'm done with it. Okay, and instead of editing inside of Snagit or what I'm going to show you next, which is Camtasia, I just put it in Windows Movie Maker and I edit it in there. Okay. Okay, so like I was saying, Camtasia Studio. Okay, this is an all-in-one. Okay, it captures the images, it captures the video, but it also has a whole editing system inside for you to do a number of things and get extremely creative. You could even, as far as I know, change the audio in there as well. You could lower the volume, higher it. They have a free trial. You could sit there and play with it too for a little bit if you'd like, before you actually buy it. But they have a lot of stuff you could put in there. You put in little captions to say things, and I believe you can hot link it and just do a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so um, yeah, there's a world of things that you can do with the Camtasia Studio, and yes, you can still get this one at an educational discount. I believe, don't quote me, I believe it's like 170 something. Okay, because normally it's like 200 and something. Okay, so, but it's great software to have. I've tried the trials, they're really great. I didn't do much video editing as I seem to be doing now, so I probably should get it. But I never really felt a need to get it because the Windows Movie Maker, so I figure I can get away with that for now, until I start doing like way more videos. It'd probably benefit me. It would probably be faster if I just did it all with Camtasia Studio. Okay? All right, so as I said, the mediums you could use would be Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Windows Journal, just to name a few. There's a few other ones that you could use. Okay, and as far as editing your tutorials, like I said, I didn't put it in here. Windows Movie Maker. Okay, you guys just look it up on in your computer, and it should come up. Okay, in your programs. Okay. All right. So let's look at some ideas. Okay, that you would use a tutorial for, that you would use these little tools and techniques for. Okay. So it would be like to teach a how-to. You could do this live or recorded. Okay, because I could use these same tools for a webinar or if I want to do Google Hangouts. Okay, and I want to teach somebody something. Okay. Or if I'm on Skype, okay, I could share my screen and I could tutor a student or I could coach someone on how to do like diet and exercise or how to do their blog or how to do their header, their backgrounds, whatever the case. How to do math if I'm tutoring. Okay, writing sentences, doing English grammar, whatever the case may be. As long as you set up the format right, you can really do just about anything in here. Okay, if I want to give a map shot to a friend to show them where the party location is. Okay, we're here. It's party time, 8 o'clock. Okay, snap, and you just go inside. Your Snagit editor, okay, it has a very small editor in there inside of Snagit, nothing like Camtasia. Okay, and you can actually write stuff. Okay, you can write, you know, X marks the spot. Okay, starts at 8 p.m. And you have this captured, you have the map, okay, and you're showing them, hi, here I am, this is where I'm at, see you there. Okay, so I mean, there's so many things that you can do. Okay, or you can enhance your ads or photos. Okay, you have a plain boring photo, you can go in and snazzy it up by putting little doodles and stamps on it, okay, inside of Snagit or Camtasia, and you just play with it. Um, Different graphics, like I said, I do headers, backgrounds. There's a lot of things you can do with the software that's inside the tablet that comes with the tablet. That alone, okay. If you have Photoshop, Illustrator, anything like that, you are like totally good to go, once you really get this pen thing, because it's so versatile. You could use it in any manner. Okay, or like I said, do a webinar. Okay, so you could use it for a live teaching. Again, to teach somebody, go through your slides, right their attention. Okay, whatever it is. Hi. Okay, because this attracts people. Okay, right here. Sometimes you just hear me talk, you're just like, bleh. Okay, but if you see me scribbling on this thing, it attracts your attention. Now, depending on what color, I might get a certain reaction. Okay, whatever. Okay, this is like a secret tool. Okay, it keeps people engaged. When you are talking, you want them to be paying attention, because if they just hear you talking and they can't see anything, they tend to get bored. Okay, I know we all used to sit on seminars, on teleseminars, okay, and just be bored out of our minds trying to pay attention, trying to. Okay, well, praise God that this method has come about, because I mean, I'm not bored anymore. Okay, when I watch my mentors teach me, they get into it. Okay, they really, really get into it. Okay, I could do whatever I want on this thing, and I love that. Okay, so whatever it is that you want to teach somebody, you can. Okay, the things that I've used it for, like I said, ads, headers, cover photos, website backgrounds, business cards, children's artwork, children's homework, presentations, tutorials, videos, Facebook posts, graphics, my own art play that I do, some study time. I study with it, do some stationery stuff, contracts or e-signatures. Okay, I've done so many things with this thing. Okay, all right, so your basic template that you want to have for the tutorial is your title page. Slide one, hi, this is what I'm going to be teaching you. Okay, it's like, here's my table of contents. Here's what you're going to be learning from me today. Okay, or you can just put your title page as your title and use your intro as your table of contents, or as I was saying before, your table of contents and your title page, your intro for the first part of going into your tutorial, and then okay, going into the main meat of your tutorial. Okay, this is your meat of your tutorial mainly. Okay, and this is where you're gonna shut it down and it goes down. You're gonna wrap it all up. Okay, and this is your call to action. You're gonna tell them to do something, okay, of value to them or to you. Okay, this is your call to action. Okay, so like I said, you want to go ahead and start off with your title page, whatever you want to put there, the title, the table of contents, or just the title, that's up to you. Okay, intro. This could be your intro paragraph or your table of contents. Sorry. This is mainly your meat, period, regardless. This is your meat, okay, of whatever it is that you're doing, you're showing, you're doing a tutorial on. And this is your wrap up, okay? You're letting them know what they need to do, and you're just wrapping it all up. Okay, your call to action. Okay, now go to da da da, do this, do that, whatever. Okay, this is your basic template for a tutorial. Okay, you just need to get your point across. Okay, so I hope that this has helped you. Okay, I enjoy teaching this. Wow, this is so cool because it's something that I love to do. Okay, and I've sat on many webinars and I've watched my mentors do this stuff. Okay, so if I could teach somebody how to do it, it's like, why not? You know? All right. So there it is. Those are the tools, the basic things that you need, okay, to like get in there and do what you need to do. All right. So, I mean, the rest really is all your imagination, just actually implementation and imagination, and just bringing your personality out or whatever it is that you're doing, teaching your skill. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, feel free to connect with me on Facebook, or you can find me on my YouTube. Okay, all right, you guys. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.